Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm delighted to make this kind of videos and help you or their clients with the buy, sale, and of course with rent of real estate properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. And today, or their followers, maybe you have seen one of the last video that we did in Los Alcázares. We showed a new build project with villas, and actually we like this project that much that we came back here because the same developer, that is a well-known developer, is building on the same plot. He's building two kinds of properties: villas, we did the last video, you can also watch it on our YouTube channel, and apartments. And today, friends, we want to show you the apartments. It's of course other prices, and you have two types of apartments, 2 and 3 bedrooms. The corner apartments have 3 bedrooms, and the apartments so 3 types: the ground floor, the first floor, and the top floor. This is the 3 types that you can on which you can choose. So let's talk about the area just quick once more. We are located in Los Alcázares, that belongs to the city of Murcia. The airport is just 40 minutes from here, airport from Murcia. And this place here, I see all around a cranes construction. So in 2 years, when this project will be done, the projects that are nearby will be also done. Imagine buying a property and a new in a place with all the infrastructure that is new, modern, new shops, new developments, nice place to be, parks, everything is new. I think it's a good option to buy something, reserve a new build now here in this area that is on build, and then of course counting with the price increases, you can sell it for more money in the future, or you can live in a perfect area, buying before and paying less. So each project of those, I wanted to mention that when in Los Alcázares, on this area, that a lot of new build will be built. And just quick to tell you that the beach is 2 kilometers away to Mar Menor. It's a nice beach with nice promenades to walk. There's nice places. I was, for example, in Avia Show. There's a big airport, military airport here, and there's a crew with planes that are making shows. So we was here this summer. It was beautiful and a nice place. It's just 2 kilometers or 3 from here. You have restaurants, bars, promenade. It's super. And of course you have the sea. It's nice for children. You have no waves there. It's quiet. And if you want to open it beach, then you can go just to one side. 15 minutes, 20 minutes from here, you have open at beach, not the closed one that is called Mar Menor. So this development, we're now in one phase that is already done. We have the show apartment here, show house, to show you. It's a ground floor option, but the apartments that are on sale are in the opposite side from this golf court. This is a golf club of Serena Golf. You have all this court here, and this phase is in one side. In the opposite side, we have 5 more blocks coming, and on there, friends, you can reserve apartment starting price for 275,000, and then if you want a better view straight to the golf court, from 300,000, you have available options. So we have this nice golf court here. We have view to the golf court. Almost all the apartments have this view, but some of them they have it like the road and then the golf court. But the first line, as I told you, 300 up from 300,000 euro, you have available options. And the developments offers this nice infinity pool to enjoy with view to the golf court, outside gym, parking spot and storage room included with each apartment, standard. And yeah, we very like it because I didn't see many projects that are located on the first line with this nice view to the golf courts. We have birds here, flamenco already. I've seen flamenco, ducks, lakes, small rivers with water. It's amazing to wake up here, drink your coffee, and having this to the first line of this overview, the golf court. Imagine drinking your coffee here, 2 kilometers away from the beach. Everything is close by. It's an amazing project. That's why we did a second video to show you also the apartments. And now, friends, I think is the time. Follow me and I will show you one example of show house of these apartments. Follow me. So friends, by these nice communal areas with trees, I will show you one example of a show house. You can choose on between 2 or 3 bedrooms. And of course, the top floor have big terrace, 60 up to 70 square meter terrace. The first floor has a terrace of 20 square meters, and ground floor, you have a bigger, of course, bigger plot, bigger terrace. The corner one have also option to build a pool, and you have a very big plot size. So this is an example of ground floor apartment with 2 bedrooms. On this case, it's all fully furnished, but you must know that furniture, lighting, and the white goods comes as an extra. Yeah. Or if you want to change something, it's possible to change the tiles, the color of the kitchen, but it will be also as an extra. Small changings, not as a color of the kitchen, but if you want to change the tiles, you can change it, you can do it your style, but it will be as an extra. It's not included on the package. So this is our dining area with this open style modern kitchen with the bar for breakfast, window that goes to the communal areas. Yeah, you see when it's ready. It offers lots of space, the dining area here in the middle, and yeah, enough space and good designed. Then we have the access to the terrace. You must know, of course, that this is a show house. We have no golf court here, but we will finish the video in the side that goes to the golf courts. On the first line, you will see how beautiful it is. And the available options, of course, will have the view to the golf, but this is a terrace of the ground floor. So just quick, when we go outside the terrace, check out how nice it's done. We have window that goes to the both of the bedrooms. So you have an exit from the living room, from the both bedrooms, straight with nice view to the golf court, to the green, nice area. Please don't forget that we have parking spot and the storage room included in the price. And let's see the rest of this nice modern apartment. So as I told you before, we have the first room looking to the terrace. It's medium size with inbuilt wardrobes, of course, all done with the best standards, qualities. As I told, it's a very good developer, constructor. So look at the bedroom with shower plate. Bedroom will be completely delivered with furniture, shower plate, everything complete. And at the end, we have this bedroom in suite with private bedroom. Of course, the solution that the constructor did is this glassed door, but this is all this replaceable. If you want to do a normal regular door, you can do this also. You can choose your own style. Good size of bedroom, inbuilt wardrobe. Of course, everything is modern, and yeah, I cannot say nothing about the qualities. Everything is very good done. And imagine waking up and looking at the birds, at the palm trees, at the grass, at the water. Each bedroom offers view to the golf club. It's amazing. And now, friends, I will show you the opposite side, the nice view to the golf court. I will show you the place where exactly the building is now, the construction, where it is now, and the 5 blocks that are on sale and will come on sale in the future. The position of these blocks and where you can get the apartment of your dreams. Follow me. So friends, as promised, check out these views. Now I'm staying in one of the penthouses and you can see people playing golf. Also important to mention that the halfway is just a kilometer from here, so you can go by the halfway the way you want to Cartagena or to the way to Torrevieja, Alicante, so you are connected to all the traffic. And yes, this is example of penthouse. Also very important to mention that the penthouse has this huge big terrace, and you also have a rooftop terrace which you can join from inside the property. And yeah, you have both big terrace and rooftop. And just check out this nice, amazing view. This is the block number 1, number 5, then number 4, and then 3 more blocks are coming to this side. And as I mentioned by the beginning of the video, the last 2 blocks will have south-facing orientation, and they will have all this golf court long way, so you have a view, continue view up till the end. So the best orientations, block number 2 and number 1. It's amazing project. We really like it. That's why we did this video, to share it with you, our dear clients. If you have any questions about this project, please contact me anytime. You have here my contact details. I will give you the plans. We have all the floor plans, all the information about this project, and I will kindly answer all your questions. As I told before, be quick. Everything is sold here on the block number 5. All the good orientation to the golf court is sold also. But next blocks are coming out soon for sale. Be first, reserve your best orientation and property. Contact me for more details. Subscribe this channel, of course. Share this video with your family, your friends and lovers. And I see you next time in the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Hasta luego. Adiós.